Hello everyone. Today I'm really excited to talk about the CATIA V5 V6 Mastery, the industrial design from beginners to expert. This is a comprehensive guide that will take you from the basics of CATIA to an advanced level. Focusing on this is mainly focusing on the industrial design applications. So let's dive into some of the key topics that we are going to cover. Like we'll be working on the launching of CATIA V5. So we'll start with the basics of getting CATIA V6, V5 up and running, ensuring that you are comfortable with the software right from the start. Then the sketcher navigation interface. So here maybe we'll be covering next, like we'll explore the sketcher navigation interface, where you will learn how to navigate within the sketcher environment. Then we'll move on to the authoring interface, so giving you a deep understanding of how to create and manage your design projects. So here after that I'll be going through the understanding of how to visualize the model, navigate the specification tree, which is very much crucial for the effective design. So we will go through our these concepts in detail. Then managing the geometry and sketches reference feature. So you will learn how to manage geometry and create sketching reference features that are essential for precise design. Next, in the sketcher geometry creation, we'll be covering on creation of sketch geometry, laying the foundation, which is very much required for 3D model. Next, the sketch options, the sketch constraints, the dimensions. So here we'll be mastering on the sketch options, the constraints, and the dimensions, which will allow you to create the accurate and functional design. Next, we'll be going into using the sketch efficiently. So to do the part modeling or assembly design, we need to use the sketch very efficiently. So here we'll discuss how to use the sketch effectively to streamline your design process. Next, I'll be coming now to the part design. So I'll be introducing the part design, so which is nothing but the part modeling modules. So here we'll be covering the part design, and that is like starting with basic sketch based features. Next, basic sketch based features. Here you will be learning how to create the basic sketch based on the features that form the building blocks of your design in the part modeling and assembly design. Then here inside we will be going through some of the dress up features, what is called in CATIA. It is like we'll explore more on the dress up features, which are detailed and refinement of your models. So to refine the models, you'll be needing all these dress up features. Then patterns and additional dress up features. You need to learn how to create the patterns inside the part modeling, and use of the dress up features in that to enhance your design. Next, I'll be coming to the evaluating of the model by measuring. So there is some measure tool, like you can evaluate your model, which is very critical, like dimension, weight, surface area, whatever. And we'll cover how to evaluate the model using these measuring tools. Right, then we'll be going to the engineering connections. We'll discuss the importance of the engineering connections in assemblies. So here onwards we'll be going towards the assembly. So we'll start the basic assemblies, that is the CATIA assembly design. You will learn how to create the basic assemblies that are crucial for building the complex systems. Then this assembly will be discussing more on the constraints and many more things. So once you are getting into this, you'll get to know. So from here, once the assembly is done, like maybe we have started from the CATIA launching, then your sketch creation, part modeling, the assembly design, and now we'll be going towards the geometrical set, wireframe diagram, so wireframe geometry creation. So we'll explore the creation of the basic wireframe geometry. So here we'll be going through all the basic geometry creation as a that is the precursor for the much more complex surfaces. So after this, we'll be going towards the geometrical set and the basic surfaces. So what are the geometrical set, how to create the surface. So finally, we'll cover the geometrical set and the basic surface at this position. Yeah. That's how. And so in addition to this topic, like I have had a I have had a pleasure to guide you, one of the students that I was taking through the entire class for him. So the entire course was taken through that student, and the experience was incredibly enriching. It was so good, as we delivered into not just a curriculum. So I mean, many courses, if you are going, so you'll be saying only the course structure and only the curriculum. So here basically I was doing the actual model, actual sketch, and actual assembly. So it was a bit lengthy, but it went very well. So in this course curriculum, so but we tackled some intelligent and throughout I mean, some thought-provoking questions. He brought up so good questions which really I had to think, and I had to tell him, I had to guide him very well. So throughout the sessions, he is basically from the aerospace background. He has brought some good questions. So in those questions are also really, I thought to bring it up in front of you so that you can gain out of it. So I brought that recording with me today. So that recording also I have included into this course, so that you can be very much benefited and get insights. That I would just tell you one thing, that guy was really intelligent, but he was not having any experience into CATIA or any sort of CAD software as of. Yeah, so that's why from being a novice, I mean, you really at the condition like you don't know anything about CATIA, you don't know anything about CAD modeling or mechanical design or aerostructures design. So from there you are going towards like class A surface, continuity surface, and tangent continuity, curvature continuity. So that level of efficiency you are going to have. So like these questions and discussions, it was really extremely helpful for you and your progress, I thought. So that's why I couldn't resist myself to bring that one. I thought to bring it in front of you so that you can be also benefited from it. So yeah, that's it. Like then I am looking towards going through the journey of this mastering CATIA V5 V6. I am sure it will be very much helpful, and it will be very, very much useful for you when you are going to do the final modeling and design. So I mean, any basic kind of CATIA, if you see, you will just go through the contents, and as per the curriculums, okay, this is the option and you need to do this, this is the option and how you need to do this thing. But in this course, it is purely a hands-on experience. You're just going to work on it, and it is like basic sketches, part modeling, assembly design, and the wireframe and surfaces. So it will be just your hands-on experiences, and so that what happens is, whatever the kind of problems you are going to face at the time of just doing the modeling, doing the design. So it is a design approach also I have included into this. So that kind of approaches, it will be very much useful for you. So that's what I gave it. I know this course has become a bit lengthier, But this course will be, means after doing this course, for a basic mechanical student or aerostructure students or automotive students or any sort of that domain, it will be very very much useful for you to do the pure design. So you can straight away, you can jump into the you can install the CATIA into your system, and you can just do the design as your own. You may not get any problems, but yeah, any problems you are facing, you are always welcome to come back to me. You can just put your queries, comments, whatever you are feeling. So you can just put your comments so that I can go through that, and I can assist you on that in details. Yeah, so let's meet in the course, and we'll go through more details. Thank you. See you in the course.